Hey everyone, it's Jack from Bionic Effects. Today we're exploring a fascinating topic: why so many of us never feel satisfied with the money we have, no matter how much we earn. If you've ever felt like your financial goals keep moving further away, you're not alone. Let's unpack this together. Firstly, one big reason people never feel financially satisfied is because of the comparison trap. This trap is a psychological phenomenon where we measure our worth against others, often through the lens of social media. We constantly compare ourselves to others who have more. Whether it's a friend's new gadget, a neighbor's luxury car, or a colleague's vacation photos, these comparisons can make us feel inadequate. This is called upward social comparison, and it often makes us feel like we're always falling short, no matter how much we achieve or earn. The stress and anxiety from these comparisons can be overwhelming. Instead of comparing ourselves to those who have more, we should focus on our unique journey and achievements. Celebrating our own milestones, no matter how small, can bring a sense of fulfillment and contentment. By shifting our focus inward, we can appreciate our progress and set realistic goals for the future. Another factor is the pain of paying, which is a significant psychological phenomenon. Every time we spend money, there's a psychological cost attached to it. This cost is not just financial but emotional as well. This pain can make us feel guilty or regretful about our purchases, especially when we realize we might have overspent. Even tracking every expense, like with smart meters or budgeting apps, can lead to constant reminders of our spending, which can be overwhelming. These reminders can make us more anxious rather than satisfied as we become more aware of our financial limitations and responsibilities. Additionally, many people tend to externalize blame and resist acceptance. They believe their dissatisfaction is due to external circumstances rather than looking inward and accepting their current situation. This mindset can prevent them from finding true contentment. Lastly, living a distracted life, constantly focusing on future goals rather than the present, can make us feel perpetually unsatisfied. It's important to appreciate what we have now and practice mindfulness to find joy in the present moment. So what's the takeaway from all of this? To find true financial satisfaction, we need to shift our focus, stop the comparisons, and start valuing what truly matters to us. Be mindful of the psychological costs of spending and understand how our financial decisions impact our well-being. Take accountability for our feelings and appreciate the present moment. Practice gratitude and mindfulness in your daily life. It's not just about the money, it's about our mindset and how we approach our financial journey. Thanks for tuning in to Bionic Effects. We hope you found these insights valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips on achieving financial well-being. See you next time.